Mainstream science has advanced by leaps and bounds in the past few years, but some have yet to be convinced that NASA's advances are anything more than wild speculation. Thankfully, these opinions may soon be put to rest as the newfound power of the James Webb Telescope is unleashed into space. With its ultra-sensitive infrared vision, this revolutionary telescope is prepared to take us on a stunning journey through our cosmic backyard and correct many misbeliefs lurking around it. From literally uncovering forgotten worlds all the way to demystifying dark matter throughout galaxies far away, get ready for an astronomical ride with incredible revelations, exclusively revealed by the mighty James Webb Telescope. Hello and welcome to Amuse World. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Let's get this video started right away. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope is an infrared space observatory that was launched on December 25, 2021. It is the largest and most powerful space telescope ever built. On July 12, 2022, NASA released the first scientific images from Webb during a live event. The $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope will explore the cosmos to learn about the universe's history, from the Big Bang to exoplanet formation and beyond. It is one of NASA's great observatories, huge space instruments that include the likes of the Hubble Space Telescope that peer deep into the cosmos. How was the journey so far? The James Webb Space Telescope traveled nearly 1 million miles in just 30 days to its permanent home, Lagrange Point 2, a gravitationally stable location in space. On January 24, 2022, the telescope reached L2, the second Sun-Earth Lagrange point. L2 is a location in space near Earth that is opposite the Sun. This orbit will allow the telescope to remain in line with Earth as it orbits the Sun. It has been a popular spot for several other space telescopes, including the Herschel Space Telescope and the Planck Space Observatory. What about Hubble? The powerful James Webb Space Telescope, like its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, will take amazing photos of celestial objects. Fortunately for astronomers, the Hubble Space Telescope is still in good shape, and the two telescopes will most likely work together during James Webb's first years. The James Webb Space Telescope will also look at exoplanets discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope and follow up on real-time observations from ground space telescopes. The James Webb Space Telescope is the result of an impressive international collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. According to NASA, the James Webb Telescope involved over 300 universities, organizations, and companies from 29 U.S. states and 14 countries. The James Webb Space Telescope's nominal lifespan is 5 years, but the goal is 10 years. Now, let's take a look at the top misbeliefs that James Webb Telescope will disprove. Number 4. First light and reionization. This refers to the universe's early stages after the Big Bang created the universe we know today. The universe was a sea of particles in the early stages after the Big Bang, and the light was not visible until the universe cooled enough for these particles to start combining. The James Webb Telescope will investigate what happened after the first stars formed, a period known as the epoch of reionization. Number 3. We have an assembly of galaxies. Looking at galaxies can help us understand how matter is organized on massive scales, which can help us understand how the universe evolved. The spiral and elliptical galaxies we see today evolved over billions of years from different shapes, and one of the James Webb Telescope's goals is to look back at the earliest galaxies to better understand that evolution. Scientists are also trying to figure out how we got the variety of galaxies we see today, as well as the current processes by which galaxies form and assemble. Number 2. Birth of stars and protoplanetary systems. The Eagle Nebula's pillars of creation are some of the most famous birthplaces for stars. Stars form in clouds of gas, and as they grow, the radiation pressure exerted by the stars blows away the cocooning gas, which could be reused for other stars if not too widely dispersed. However, seeing inside the gas is difficult. The infrared eyes of the James Webb Telescope will be able to see sources of heat, including stars that are being born in these cocoons. Number 1. Planets and origins of life. The last decade has seen vast numbers of exoplanets discovered, including NASA's planet-seeking Kepler Space Telescope. The powerful sensors on the James Webb Telescope will be able to look at these planets in greater detail, including, in some cases, imaging their atmospheres. Understanding planet atmospheres and formation conditions could help scientists predict whether or not certain planets are habitable. While astronomers wait for all of the necessary steps to be completed before science operations begin, we can all appreciate what a marvel the telescope truly is. This brings us to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts on the video? Do you believe the James Webb Telescope will be able to uncover the mysteries of space? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your time. We'll see you later.